Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about audit an Amazon PPC account in under 10 minutes. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to walk through how to audit an Amazon PPC account in under 10 minutes. Managing ad campaigns can feel complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Instead of worrying about bulk files or getting caught up in too many details, let's focus on the key areas that really matter. When you're looking at your campaigns, you want to start by checking the ACOS. That's your advertising cost of sales. In this account, we're targeting a 30% ACOS with a monthly spend goal of $1,500. Right now, we're under that target at 23%, and we're just under the $1,200 budget. The first step is to filter down to the active campaigns. From there, we'll look at campaigns that are either almost out of budget or have already run out. If a campaign is running out of budget too quickly, it's important to figure out why. In this case, we have a campaign with a high ACOS and a low daily budget. The system is recommending we increase the budget, but before we do that, we'll want to take a closer look at the bids, which are quite high. Adjusting those bids may help control the spend without needing to significantly raise the budget. Next, we'll look at wasted ad spend. This is a critical part of any PPC audit. By filtering for campaigns with an ACOS above 30%, we can quickly see where the most money is being spent. Some of these campaigns are well over the target, with ACOS as high as 100% or more. It's important to assess whether these campaigns are worth keeping. If they're generating a lot of orders, we might just need to lower the bids. But if they're not bringing in results, it's time to either pause them or move those keywords into a lower budget campaign. Finally, we'll identify any keywords that are bleeding money. For instance, if a keyword has a high ACOS and only a few orders, it might be a good candidate for negation. Adding these keywords to your negative targeting can help reduce wasted spend and improve the overall efficiency of your campaigns. By focusing on these areas, budget management, wasted ad spend, and high ACOS campaigns, you can improve your ad performance quickly and effectively. That's all for today's audit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.